Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we have a 13x4 20-inch curly unit from Amazon, and shout out to them for sending this unit over to share with you fabulous divas. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into how I feel about it. So I definitely feel like this is a very cute simple look. Now you can go ahead and part it like on the sides or whatever. You guys know how a 13x4 is, and if you don't, I did show you guys in the previous clips. But yeah, you guys can make a part, but today I just wasn't feeling any part because I just don't want to do too many parts like the same in the videos, if that makes any sense. Like, because I know I love to do the middle part, so I'm trying to bring you guys something different, just like the last video that I just shared with you guys. But anyways, so that's why I decided to go with a no part, and this hairline melted in really good. So I'm glad it melted in really good, because honey, if I was trying to do that and it was not melting good, that would have been horrible. But yeah, overall I really like this hair. I did get some shedding, nothing that was too excessive, but I did experience some shedding with this hair. I experienced very minimal tangling, and the hair is super duper soft. It was really easy to style. All I put on it was all I did was I bleached the knots, I washed it, and I put conditioner and mousse. So that is all that I put on it, and then I installed it. You guys seen what I used to install. So yeah, overall this is a really easy hairstyle. I really do like it. The 13x4 comes from ear to ear, which is really good. So yeah, the only thing I would say is I did have to go in and pluck like the middle portion, because I knew that was going to be showing, so I did want that to appear a little bit more natural. But other than that, it does have a really decent hairline. Like, I could have went without plucking it, but just because I just wanted to, that's why I did it. But yeah, overall I do like the unit. It's very soft. The curls are really nice. I feel like this is a very like easy type of length as well. I feel like it's definitely everyday-esque. Now keep in mind, with curly hair, it does have shrinkage. So this 20-inch may look like an 18 or a 16-inch, but it's because it has shrinkage. Once I stretch it out, it will go to being 20 inches, okay? So always keep that in mind. If you want a longer look, you might want to go up like a size or two. Like, if you want the appearance of like a 24-inch, you would get like a 26-inch, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyways, I do really like this unit. I would definitely recommend it because it is a nice quality, and especially for the price. The price point is very affordable. I will have links available down in the description box below in case you are interested, so definitely check that out if you do want to purchase this unit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. And also follow me on my other social media platforms so that you can communicate directly with me and see what I'm posting on there as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.